Hello friends, today we are going to talk about an error that is called map error or map and visual map error. So whenever we are using the Power BI, when we are trying to use this map visual and map visual is not coming, then this kind of error comes. You will see this error, map and field map visuals are not enabled for your log. So whenever you are using a simple Power BI desktop, then the solution is you will find here in this tab, come here in the file tab, come in the options and setting, come here in options. In options you will find, just a minute, it is taking time. Yes, in options come to the security. In security come here, map and field map visuals. Take this should be yes. Okay, this is the one solution. And if you have service account like I do have, then log into your service account through Microsoft. Come to the setting. When you come to the setting, come in the admin portal, then come into the tenant setting, then find this heading, map and field map visual. Enable it, apply it, and this after you apply, it will take 15 minutes to make changes. I hope this will definitely resolve your Power BI desktop query and Power BI service query. If you like this video, like it and subscribe it. Thank you.